basic legal documents. This wouldn't replace the need for human lawyers in complex cases, but it could empower individuals to handle straightforward legal matters on their own. This increased access to legal information and resources could be particularly impactful for underserved communities and individuals who can't afford traditional legal representation. Providing access to technology and digital literacy programs will be essential to ensure that the benefits of AI in law reach everyone.
Section 5. The ethical maze, bias, privacy, and who takes the blame. The rapid advancement of AI in law raises a host of ethical concerns. One of the most pressing issues is the potential for bias. AI algorithms are trained on massive datasets, and if these datasets reflect existing societal biases, the AI systems themselves could perpetuate and even amplify these biases. Imagine an AI judge handing down harsher sentences to defendants from certain ethnic backgrounds because it was trained on biased data. Addressing algorithmic bias is crucial to ensure fairness and justice in an AI-driven legal system. Another concern is data privacy. AI systems rely on vast amounts of data, including sensitive personal information. Robust data protection regulations and ethical guidelines will be essential to maintain public trust in AI-powered legal systems.
Section 6. A collaborative future. Humans and AI working together in law. The future of law isn't about robots replacing lawyers. It's about humans and AI working together to create a more efficient, accessible, and equitable legal system. The relationship between lawyers and AI will be one of collaboration, not competition. AI will handle routine tasks, freeing up lawyers to focus on higher-level strategic thinking, client interaction, and courtroom advocacy. This collaboration will allow lawyers to provide more effective and efficient legal services. Law schools will need to adapt their curricula to incorporate AI and other emerging technologies, preparing graduates for the future of legal practice. By embracing collaboration and addressing these challenges head-on, we can harness the power of AI to create a legal system that is more just, efficient, and accessible for all.